In this video, I'll be showing you how to find saved templates in CapCut. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So what you want to go ahead and do is open up your CapCut application. Now you can do this on anything, whether you're an iPhone, Android, Samsung, or a PC or anything like that as well. So we're going to go ahead and open up CapCut, and by default, you're going to be on your edit tab. But let's say I go over to templates, which is going to be the second tab, and I find something I like. Let's say this is one I like. All I want to do is press that little save icon. And right now it says added to favorites, right? But let's say I want to use it eventually, like later on, but I don't know where to find it now. All I got to do is go over to the Me tab, which is on the bottom right. Once you go ahead and click on it, the second option you're going to see is likes and favorites. So go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to go to the second tab, which is favorites. As you can see, I have two saved templates right now, and then I can go ahead and click on one and then use that template. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.